Retaining wall anchor spacing thumb rule of house construction keeps soil pressure managed and prevents wall failure. For walls under 4 feet of retained height, the thumb rule is to limit height and use mass gravity design without reinforcement, but above that, we place reinforcement like Geogrid or anchors to transfer loads into the backfill. A practical spacing to start from is every 2 to 4 feet vertically, with lateral spacing along the wall based on design length, soil type, and imposed loads. Use compacted, well-graded granular backfill to at least the depth of the first reinforcement layer, and ensure each Geogrid layer is fully embedded and wrapped if using wraparound detail for ends and corners. Install a free draining drainage layer directly behind the back of the wall using clean, crushed stone and a perforated drain pipe sloped to daylight or a sump. This removes hydrostatic pressure that can otherwise overload anchors. Place the lowest reinforcement near the toe of the reinforced zone and step layers up at a consistent vertical interval to create a reinforced soil block. Overlap or secure Geogrid ends to avoid pull-out and check manufacturer's guidance for allowable tensile strength and embedment length. Compact backfill in maximum 6-inch lifts with uniform effort to avoid soft pockets that concentrate stresses on anchors, and always protect Geogrid from damage during placement by minimizing sharp stones and avoiding heavy equipment. Directly overexposed grid. If you are uncertain about soil bearing or surcharge loads from structures or drives, collect a basic soil description and consult a licensed engineer to verify spacing, embedment depth, and connection details. Common mistakes are undersizing or underspacing reinforcement, which leads to outward bulging and eventual failure, so follow the 2 to 4 foot vertical spacing guideline and increase density for poor soils. Another frequent issue is inadequate drainage causing hydrostatic uplift and load spikes, so include a continuous crushed stone zone and sloped drain pipe behind the wall. A third recurring problem is poor compaction, leaving voids that reduce anchor effectiveness. So compact in small lifts with consistent effort and verify density with spot checks or a simple hand tamper and visual inspection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like retaining walls so we can find local help and share practical tips. We host a discussion community where we exchange experiences on spacing anchors, drainage, and material choices to help both homeowners and contractors find work and learn better practices.